All right, so we are going to make some equivalence chains. All that means is we are going to write equal fractions, equivalent fractions. So you may need to go back to the work that you did here. I won't keep flipping back and forth the page like that so you don't get dizzy. So I'll just list out the fractions there. You may also start to get familiar with fractions that are equal to each other, so you might not have to flip back to those pages. So for 1/2, we have lots of equivalent fractions. 2/4 is also equal to 3/6, and is also equal to 4/8. They're all equal fractions. They all take up the same amount of space. Fractions that are equal to 1/3, we are just going to put 2/6. 2/6 is equal to 1/3. All right, number 7. So now we need fractions that are equal to 2/3. 2/3 is equal to 4/6. You may start to notice as you make equivalence chains, if you think about your multiplication facts or just multiples of numbers, there's a bit of a pattern there too. So not to confuse you, but if we multiply this top number by 2 and this bottom number by 2, we get this fraction. So 2 times 2 would give you 4, 3 times 2 would give you 6. So you're getting 4/6. Just something to notice. All right, 1/4, a fraction that's equal to that. If we were to kind of use that same strategy and double, multiply by 2 each number, we would get 2/8. Whoops, that is an 8. A bad 8, but it's an 8. All right, and number 9, 3/4 is also equal to 6/8. And then number 10, fractions that are equal to 8/8. So that is the same as anything that's equal to 1. And there's a lot of numbers equal to 1. We have 2/2. We have 3/3. We have 4/4. 6/6. And 8/8. And I just listed the fractions that we worked with today. But again, these chains could go on and on. They really won't ever stop. All right, and let's practice with some story problems here. So Jamie has 1/2 foot of red ribbon. I'm just gonna circle that there. And 4/8 a foot of green ribbon. Does he have more red ribbon or green ribbon? So I'm gonna quick grab my fraction strips here. So I've got 1/2, they told me to compare. If this was laying half, or if this was laying flat, I've got 4/8. So I look 1, 2, 3, 4/8 is the same as 1/2. So does he have more red ribbon or green ribbon? They have the same amount. They're the same. All right, number 12. Chin and Maya collected conch shells at the beach. They both used the same kind of basket. Chin's basket is 3/4 filled, and Maya's basket is 3/3 filled. Who collected more shells? I'm gonna swap these fraction strips for my thirds and my fourths. Oops, it's upside down. All right, so it says Chin has 3/4 filled. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So that line's gonna stop here. All right, make that bold so I can see it. And then Maya's basket's 3/3 filled. Well, she's got her whole basket filled. So right there, that tells me who collected more shells. Maya. She's got way more. All right, and then how could you use a number line to help you solve problem number 12?